Hey there, welcome back to the Money Express, and for today's video, I will share to you guys an application that I have recently acquired. This application is one of the newest online earning platforms. But before I get to the plot, welcome again to another video here at Money Express, where we teach you ways on how you can earn money online, hassle-free and fast. Before anything else, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's go back to the guide. Before I begin the step-by-step process, I would like to prove to you that this application is 100% real. As you can see, this app has paid countless of their members. You can also see here this 9-figure amount, and they remit to their members all around the globe with substantial earning. Generally, this is how the app operates. As an introductory, download the free software. Afterwards, we will search down a variety of offers. Moreover, you will receive the commission. It's effortless and free, but one concurring mistake remains that a lot of people consider, resulting to their stream to lack and hindering them to making only $2 per 10 seconds, as you only need one function for this app to take effect. So stay around to know how the setup is done and have an idea what feature it is. Alright, this is the app we'll work with today. It's free and you can earn with it. It's called Ibotta. Hold on, before you go and start this by yourself, take note that it won't work that way. Let me show you the ropes and setting it on absolute autopilot mode. So stand by as we'll get to it later. Ibotta is a cashback application, and here you notice that you can get your cashback on groceries and several more products, but worry less because you won't need to do the process. It is a good way to earn extra of that cash. However, it is not our primary source for this topic. I want to showcase how they cover you with cashback on purchases exclusive of grocery, clothing, traveling, and shopping on the internet. You can earn up to $20 with Ibotta by accomplishing their welcome bonuses with a desktop or mobile device. This can also be completed just with your phone, which is astonishing. If you prefer using your desktop, you can install their Google Chrome extension, which works just as good. Just install Ibotta and look for offers that you want to invest time to earn on, and you'll receive an actual incentive. Amazing, isn't it? We won't be sticking to that though, since it won't help you harvest $2 per 10 seconds. Moving on, as you can look at this, they collaborate with big brands such as Expedia, Kroger, and even Walmart. This is an enormous corporation to work at, resolving why they can fund as well. Once you shop at Walmart, now you can get a hand with Ibotta and save up cashback instead of on all purchases. As much as I believe it's exclusively for first world countries like the United States of America. That's why we're not shifting our focus to that. No company goes out without a catchphrase, and Ibottas are all about how they're able to have your back or they're ready to be able to return your funds. This free app and extension made several users leave positive feedback on how much they cut up prices with Ibotta and save more money. This is a fantastic approach in a variety of offers, while unique offers return to you. According to data, $1 billion have been reinstated, and you can see below, Ibotta users are haggling in the cash. $1 billion worth of payback has been reinstated to savers today to members who facilitate Ibotta to save money and get their cash back, which is unbelievable. You can also read testimonies from Ibotta users worldwide who have used it for saving and for their purchases. Now, how do we lay out earning $2 every 10 seconds without using the cashback method? And how are we going to get revenue from this site? What you have to do is to navigate to Ibotta and download their free app. If you don't have a mobile device, move to Ibotta.com. Then, you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom page and then choose Affiliate found under the Works column. So Once you are a referral, you can generate extra cash as an Ibotta affiliate partner. You will be credited $2 per person you refer. So, to every person you refer to this site, they will receive a $20 bonus while you'll receive a $2 credit for every sign up. For 10 people, it estimates to $20. For 100 people, it rounds up to $200. And for 1,000 people, it counts to $2,000. And the list goes on endlessly. If you move down a bit, you can see the true cash the members have profited and earned with their affiliate or partner program, which averaged to over $1 billion. If you're curious about how you'll be paid, they will pay you directly the promised $2 for each referred user through your link or social channels. Don't worry, a website is not mandatory for this, and you don't even need an active social media page. You can proceed with this on 0 followers in Instagram, no YouTube subscribers, and even no Facebook likes. It's not going to change a thing because I will show you how to activate autopilot mode freely. Move to their affiliate page, then click the Become an Affiliate right here. You will be then transported to this page. If you refer Ibotta to someone using your link, you can monitor when they just installed the web extension. As a result, when people are interested, then they can just download the extension to their laptop or desktop, and you will receive a $2 commission for each signed up account. For every Ibotta registration through your link, you will be rewarded the stated $2. So it's no challenging to convince people to sign up for this free application that can help in terms of saving by shopping. Referring them to Ibotta is a lot simpler than persuading them to purchase a product within your link or force them to join some compensated membership deal. Nonetheless, they will save up a ton from this app and grab benefits, and it's 100% free. Who can say no to that, right? It will be simple to gather a massive number of signups. Primarily, go down a bit and complete the application. You can follow by filling in your first and last name on this box. Also, plug in a valid email address and make sure you're using a legitimate email so you can access your emails, which is vital. Also, you can decide on your username and password and type in some additional details for your account. Don't worry, you won't need to be in a company for this, as you can submit your name as a representative. You can also drop the link to the system, create a traffic on autopilot, which we will tackle next. I'll show you the program I'll use as a traffic source. So copy that URL and then in this box, go ahead and paste it. Once you reach country selection, you can choose which country you are from. It is not necessary to live in the United States. You can simply stay where you are and download a free application such as Proton or NordVPN to your device and set up the location to the US and let it be. Next, enter your street address and all of your basic credentials about yourself. Let's move up a bit. Select your payment method, then you can submit your entry. Once approved, you will be given a special referral link that you can disclose with other people. Once you do and someone uses it, they will be redirected to the download page where they can get it for free to start saving and making money. And you will then be rewarded $2 for per registered people. Let me introduce to you the traffic source you can use for your referral link. You can endorse your link on any social media applications such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, YouTube, and many more. But for now, I will be using Threndi, a forum where you can earn online. You can proceed to Threndi.com and seek millions of people that are interested in earning and saving money online. So what you can facilitate now is share your referral link and give value with these people of the community. They will appreciate your gesture and will gladly register using your link that you have shared and earn a few bucks. Since you're talking to them to a free application where they can save up and also generate income. It's free for them to register. They will obviously take the chance. As you notice, you have all of these various forums and catalogs, which contains money making, paid service affiliate programs, forex trading, product review, website buy and sell, and the list goes on. For now, take it as an example. I want to only make money, so I'll open this up and show you how it looks like. These right here are all the threads that can be accessed within the category. If you register with Threndi for free, by hitting this button right here, you will be able to publish your own post as well as generate your own thread inside the money-making forum, and all of the population of Threndi users are able to view your post with the referral link, and they can click on it, register for free, and each person to do so will benefit you the $2 fee. It will only take you 10 seconds or less to establish a trendy post, and the more of them you post, the more registrations you can benefit from. Even if only one thread is active, it still results in a $2 investment. That's $2 for 10 seconds of work. Now move to Trendi, copy paste your call, and leave behind your referral link. Just like that, you can keep on doing this in various methods. However, this is the only traffic source available. As I said earlier, you can raise it on various platforms like Facebook groups with the same interest about money making online and saving money to coupons. Well, that's about it for today. I hope you learned all about Ibotta's functionality and its profitable system. I hope you were able to learn something valuable today, and of course, we would like to know what you think about this video. Please leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And to watch more videos like this, hit the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned to the next one. Bye!